G'day, Stu from UAVfutures, and welcome back to an episode of UAVfutures, where occasionally we get together. Usually we're talking about drone related stuff, but today on UAVfutures, there are opportunities, some bonus content for you guys where I bring you along, share some adventures, show you some cool stuff. And today, something I've been promising and talking about for a long time, we're finally gonna go check out. I don't have it here, but we're gonna be going out, checking out, I think it's the Tech 1, it's a wing. I'm actually gonna be doing you're gonna see my first ever wing flight. Some things go to plan. And then there's some other very interesting, funny things that I'm just going to let you guys enjoy. It was a lot of fun. Big shout out to Wingman John. I'll put his channel down below or his links. Go check those out. But I want to bring you guys along on this bonus adventure. You're going to have a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun flying a wing, and to be honest, it wasn't as bad, it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. So let's cut out to the field. Enough rambling here in the studio. Let's go have some fun, and you guys can laugh at my first ever time at trying to fly an FPV wing. Let's do it and have some fun in 3, 2, 1. Boop. Radio out here in the field. This one, I really have no idea how this is going to go with Wingman Jono. We've got a, what is it, the Tech 1
FPV wing.
FPV wing. I've never flown wings before. Carl's going crazy with his XJB, sort of bugging us, trying to bomb us. We're going to fly this thing. You're going to give it a test flight, and then it's over to me, and I'm going to be doing my first sort of ever crack at FPV wing flying. Do you reckon we'll crash?
No. Well, I reckon if you can get it up for the first, like,
yeah, that's what she said.
First bit, yeah, that's what she said. For the first bit, I reckon you'll be fine. Once you're up there and you're coasting around, you're going
maybe you'll have to take it up, and then I'll sort of we'll hand the radio over, and I'll give it back.
Yeah. Right.
So let's see how this goes. We'll get John to give it a quick little test, and then let's give it a crack. Is FPV easier to fly, John, or line of sight?
I reckon FPV is easier. A lot of people reckon line of sight's easier.
All right.
Best way to do it is to have somebody else like launching for you.
Yep.
So have a buddy, as you probably should when you're FPVing anyway. Have a spotter. Spotter's good. Yeah.
Right, so I'm going to launch this.
You want to launch it, do you?
Yeah. Well,
okay.
I can't fly it.
We'll show you a couple of different ways there are to launching it. You got All right, train's gone, cool.
Just grab it and
so yeah, there's a couple of different ways that you can launch it. So you can go for the good old hold it by a wing.
Yep.
And you can throttle up and you can...
Hang on, no. Is that supposed to happen?
This one here, yes, it is actually. This one here has removable wings. So what you can do is we'll unstrap that and we'll plug this wing back in and we'll be good to go. Where are you, little plug?
What sort of plug do you mean? What do you mean plug?
It's got a servo lead in here. So that's the servo lead, and it'll plug into here somewhere. We might need to do a bit of open up and do it properly. Give me 2 ticks.
Right, so we're not off to the best start. Jono's over there doing some quick field repairs. We went for a little launch and it didn't go to plan, but we'll stick at it, and I'm hoping we'll try a bit of FPV wing action. So I want to learn line of sight first, or at least give that a crack, then we'll switch it over, try some FPV, and I'm pretty sure it's going to eat the dirt, but we'll see what happens. All right, take 2.
Take 2, yeah. I'm sure we'll get up to take 20, but we'll work that out.
Okay, so ways to launch it.
Okay, ways to launch it. There's the wing launch like I was trying to show you before, but unfortunately it came apart because this one is meant to come apart at the wings in case you crash.
So do you recommend I launch it that way?
No, because it's going to come apart when
you
launch it.
So how are we going to do it?
So alternatively, we've got the up and over the head method, which is real fun. So you hold it like this, and what you want to do is you want to go up and over the top of your head and launch it that way.
Okay.
Make sure you don't bring it too close to your face.
It sounds terrible.
Because the throttle's going to be on.
Can I just go up like that?
Not directly up. You want to give it a bit of angle on there.
Louise.
Yeah, and back. Yeah.
This is coming. Can't I just launch it like this? Just. Aww.
You'll be right.
Watch your man bits.
Oh yeah, okay. Ow! Alright.
Rightio, you ready to give it a shot?
Yeah, no, but
yeah.
We'll try.
Alright, I'll go up. Let's get this happening.
Are you mode 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
You got a bit scared.
Oh, I'm scared.
Alright, so let me go get my goggles. Rolling.
It's a good show.
Cal, can I borrow your helmet, mate? Where is it?
Ah, don't want.
Really?
Yeah, you'd be right.
Alright, so I'm going
He's
to lay
flying.
the throttle on, Stu.
Yep.
And then you're going to have to launch it.
Yep.
So say when you're ready to start throwing.
Yeah.
Yep, okay, ready,
Yep.
set, go.
Okay, that looks pretty fast, and I'm pretty sure, if we freeze frame my face right there, it's gonna be freaking out. That was a lot louder than I was thinking. All right, Jono, just in case we do crash it, that thing looks like it is ripping.
Yeah, it's got a bit of pace to it. It's much faster than mine.
Okay, tell me, I guess, some words or something. What would you say about this wing?
Okay,
The
well...
Tech 1 wing. Is it Tech 1?
Yeah, Tech 1 FPV wing.
All right,
It's for
I'll find it.
900.
We'll link it down below anyway. But yeah, what would you say in comparison? What do you like about it? What do you not like about it?
Okay, so far it feels pretty stable. There's not heaps of yaw waggle. We got a little bit of wind out here, like a bit of a strongish breeze at times. So yeah, big thing is like a lot of wings waggle around in the wind.
Yep.
We're not getting heaps of that, which is good. And it's got a big T-motor on there, and the T-motor is giving it so much grunt, man. It's really quick. Like if I lay the throttle on, it just goes like a missile.
This looks like a terrible thing to be learning on.
It's great. It's pretty stable. I need to trim the torque on the T-motor.
Okay, which way do you want me to press your trims?
I need to pull it to the right-hand side if you can a bit.
For your yaw?
Yep.
Yaw to the right?
Not yaw, the roll. You've
Roll
got no
to the
yaw
right.
on a wing.
Okay.
A little bit more. Yeah, it's good.
That good?
Yeah, that's spot on. Thank you.
Spot on. See, I'm already learning. So there's no yaw.
No yaw on a wing.
How am I going to do this?
You got to use the bank and yank method. So you
Is that
bank
the only
and
way
then
to
you yank.
Is that the only way to fly?
Yeah, that's the only way to fly it, man.
This is going to go terrible.
You're gonna love it. You're gonna have heaps of fun.
And you should be watching on your goggles. I get my goggles, and then we can do a quick handover. Do you know what I mean? If things are getting hairy.
Yep, we can do that.
Remember, down is up, up is down.
Down is up.
Yeah.
Up is down,
so,
down
so
is
that's
up. Remember, pull up is pull back on the stick.
Yeah.
Yep. And how do I steer right?
You turn
bank to the left,
so
so
you
it
turn
goes
right
like
and
that,
pull
and you
back.
pull back.
On the
So it goes like this.
elevator.
You go
Oh
back
man,
and
this is gonna be good.
So you bank,
Put your
and then
goggles
pull.
on, Stu, and I'll show you what we're doing.
The
Okay?
goggles are on.
You got your goggles on?
Yep.
Okay, so to see the turn, what you got to do is you got to roll off to the side that you want and pull back like that.
and then roll the other way backwards.
And then roll back to correct it, yeah. So,
Okay,
and
okay.
you don't have to worry about your throttle. Once you get your throttle
Yeah,
set
yeah,
at a
yeah,
nice
yeah,
point, just work on your stick.
All right.
Yeah.
What's the worst that could go wrong?
You dump it in the river.
Or the back of your car.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Go for it.
All right. So I want you going out that way, and then I'm going to take
I need
over
to
when it's
trim
going
it
out there.
up
All
a
right.
bit. This is a bit nose heavy.
All right.
There we go.
You say when, and I'll do the tranny swap.
What was
That
that?
sounds a bit wrong, doesn't it?
What was that beep? Who was that?
I don't know.
It's nothing to worry about.
Nothing to
I don't
worry
know how
about.
much battery we got
All
left.
right, come on.
You ready?
All right,
There you go.
Make sure it's not pointing at the ground.
Oh, it's coming up the ground.
Radio.
Go now.
Throttle, tree. Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Up.
You can
Bring it back towards us.
I'm
Pull
trying.
back a little bit. So, yep, roll it and pull back.
That's good, Stu.
That's good. Roll. A little
Right.
bit left. Yep,
Left.
pull back.
Bit.
Yeah, there you go.
A little bit more throttle.
Bit more throttle, bro.
Just a touch. And then level her out. Level her out. That's
Yep,
it.
come
Yeah.
past us.
You have to
Oh, God.
constantly correct. It's going to keep trying to tip a little bit on you.
That's it.
Almost clipped the top of those
Oh,
trees
that
in
was
that
so close.
changeover.
Oh.
Who's DVRing?
I got DVR on that. That's going to be good. Oh, you got to see how close that was.
Just stop and hover there, Stu.
5 words to sum it up.
I am shitting myself.
I actually feel like Stevie Wonder.
Yeah, you're getting it. So you're just coasting around. Turn the other way.
Oh, hang on.
We're going to do a power loop in a minute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so why don't you straighten up, get level, and then full gas, and then gentle on the stick, pull back. Gentle, that's it. Hold it there. Kill the throttle. That's it, and then up again. That's it. Perfect.
So you gonna land it?
We'll try. Oh man, this is hard.
Now the big thing about landing is that you've got to come in nice and easy, but you don't want to stall it at the same time.
Where are you going to
So
land it, Stu?
you want to come into the wind.
Land it in the big field.
Probably, yeah, land in the big field.
What, this one
Yeah,
behind
go
us?
down the road.
Or down this
Down
one?
Yeah.
Curve it in. Now, throttle on.
Oh.
Left, pull up.
Yep.
Pull up. Coast.
That's it,
Coast.
that's it.
Coast.
Hey!
He's in a different field, but magic!
Nice one, man.
Alright, so I'm gonna say that I like how it says Stew Wing. That's nice
Yeah,
on the
Stew
radio.
Wing, yeah.
That first takeoff part, that was a bit sketchy, and I'm trying to use I was definitely yawing. I'm pretty sure it wasn't doing anything.
Yaw doesn't do anything.
Yeah, I was cranking it left and right. But it wasn't as hard. For anybody out there, if you've never tried a wing, that is the first time I've ever had to go at flying one. And well, like, we didn't crash.
Yeah,
it was a lot easier to pick up. Nearly crashed, but it was easier to pick up than I'd think the drone the first time when I sort of got those and tested that out. So no worries. All right.
Rightio, let's
Thanks,
go find the thing.
Jono. We'll go see if there's any damage.
Right, is it still in one piece? Is the battery still attached?
I think I did a good job.
I reckon
I don't say so myself.
Oh, we're looking pretty good.
Unplug it.
Yeah. So what do you reckon, Stu? Was that fun?
That was fun. That was good. Totally different to drones. I don't think I'm going to be making the switch, but it's definitely something you could just throw in the back of the car, and if you're going out for a big day, a bit of a change up, it would be a lot of fun.
It's good for our scenery areas,
Yeah,
like mountains and stuff.
You don't
man.
have any tilt on your camera.
No tilt.
Yeah, which is kind of spinning me out.
Don't need tilt, bro.
Alrighty, so there it is. There was, I guess, my bonus episode today, trying to find and fly a wing on UAVfutures on UAVfutures. Such a mouthful. But what did you guys think? Drop your comments down below. Do you go wing flying? Do you want to see more wings? I think, what do you think of these bonus episodes? There's extra content, all that sort of stuff. Put your comments down below. Also, go check out Jono's channel, or I'll put his Instagram links down below because he has some quite funny stories. Definitely check them out. Subscribe for more FPV related content and occasionally some extra bonus features. And as always, happy flying.
And you can throttle up and you can...
Hang on,
just
no.
like that.
Is that supposed to happen?